Step 1. Draw the margin. Step 2. Draw the bird's beak and head. First, we have to draw the lips of the bird. Start drawing very nice and slowly. Draw hair on the head in a way that looks a lot like a clock. Draw 2 curved lines. Draw the bird's neck. Keep the side of the neck a little thicker. Draw the neck in such a way that it looks like the bird is looking to the left. Step 3. Draw the wings and belly of the bird. Just below the lips should draw a beautiful wing with feathers. The feathers should be sorted one by one. The feathers will be shaped exactly like the English letter U or V. The beauty of a bird depends on the wings. So if we can't draw the wings well, the picture will look bad. So we have to make sure that when a bird is painted, its wings are beautiful. Step 4. Draw the bird's eye and tail. When the wings of the bird are complete, this time we will draw the tail of the bird. Most birds have long tails. This time we will draw the bird's eye. It is as if the eyes were made by the creator. Bird's eye looks a lot like the English letter O. First, draw a circular circle and another small circular circle inside it. Step 5. Start painting the bird's head. Now you have to start shading the head. The base of the lips should be slightly blacker and should be light black when moving away from the lips. When dyeing the hair of the head, it is necessary to make the top more black and the bottom light black. Step 6. Draw small feathers on the body. We draw very small soft feathers from the neck of the bird to the top of the tail. These small soft feathers need to be drawn one by one with a mind. Care should be taken while drawing the feathers that the feathers should always be from top to bottom. It would be wrong to draw feathers from bottom to top. All the feathers on the wings are big. The feathers on the chest, abdomen, and neck will be very small, very soft, and smooth. Step 7. Paint the wings and tail of the bird. All the feathers we drew on the neck, chest, and abdomen were from top to bottom. But the feathers of the wings have to be shaded from bottom to top. The wing feathers will be slightly larger than the belly feathers. The right side of the wing of the bird should be made a little more black and the long fringe should be pulled out. The tail feathers of birds are the largest. The tail feathers are very long and slender. Step 8. Draw the legs of the bird and the branches of the tree. When we finish painting the tail, we have to draw the legs. Draw a long short leg just below the abdomen and just above the tail as shown in the picture below. When we have finished drawing, draw strong and small toes at the very end of the foot. We have to draw a thick hard tree branches from between the toes. Remember to draw the branches of the tree at the end when the drawing of the bird is finished. We draw any pictures. In any other picture except this picture, you will actually draw a bird first, then a tree branch or something else. When we have finished drawing the branches of the tree, start shading. Shade the branches of the tree a little more black at the top, and when you go down it will gradually turn light black and eventually turn white. Give a little more black shade to the branches of the tree where the branches will come out. Step 9. Draw folding cards on the branches of the tree and paint the background. Cracks should be drawn in the middle of the small holes in the branches of the tree. The cracks will be shot long and parallel. A little more black in the crack, and the farther the side will be the lighter the black. When you have finished drawing the branches of the tree, you need to paint the background behind the bird. The same black shade should be done on the same side with the background rule.